Honorable Chief Guest, I request
Shall be my constant endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of my duties, uphold the dignity of the individual and the integrity of the profession I have been trained for, utilize the knowledge of my profession for the glory of the university, in the service of the country and mankind at large. You can take your seats.
I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to confer the degree upon 85 awardee for the PhD, 1,320 awardees for the Master and 2,270 awardees for the Bachelor's degree.
I, in the capacity
आपके लिए माता देवतुल्य हो, पिता देवतुल्य हो।
Tarushi Agarwal, Bachelor of Computer Applications. Utkarsh Sharma, BTech Mechanical Engineering. I invite the first rank holders to come on the dais and receive the gold medals from the Honorable Chief Guest and the Honorable Chancellor. Komal Tiwari, BSc Agriculture. Gauri Bhardwaj, Bachelor of Business Administration. Prachi Jain, BBA Honors. Saloni Salanki, BCom Honors. Salam Basista, BTech Civil Engineering.
All the awardees of the various degree for the year 2024 present here will stand at their place.
गेट पे खड़े हैं बाहर, भेजो यार, वो गेट मत करो, संपादक जी हैं, बात करना है उससे।
My dear degree recipients, parents,
guardians, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and privilege to introduce our chief guest and guest of honor to all of you. We are honored to have Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe as the chief guest of the 13th convocation of our university. Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe did his Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering in 1980 from Karnataka University, securing first rank and a gold medal. He did his Masters in 1982 and PhD in 1989, both from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, which is popularly known as ISC Bangalore. In between, he had brief stints of working as scientific officer in IISc Bangalore and engineer trainee in Tata Consultancy Consulting Engineers before starting the teaching career in the newly started Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technologies, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, and again in newly started Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, that is IIT Guwahati, from 1995 onwards. Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe has held several important academic, research and administrative positions at Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, IIT Guwahati, College of Engineering, Pune, and as AICT as chairman. His contributions of turning around 150 years old institution, College of Engineering, Pune, as its director, and several reforms in teaching education as chairman AICTE, which includes mandatory student induction and internships, faculty certification and faculty development programs, creating first ever India's MOOC platform, that is SWAM, examination reforms, innovation movement, series of hackathons, Indian knowledge systems are noteworthy. He has been associated with several professional societies and is a fellow of ISTE, IE, IETE and INAE. He is also the recipient of Praj Entrepreneur Award in 2011, Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar Lifetime Achievement Award 2019 of MIT World Peace University, Pune, Mahatma Gandhi Leadership Award 2019, John Mathai National Fellow Award in 2021, amongst others. He is currently the chairman of National Educational Technology Forum, NETF, chairman of Executive Committee of National Assessment and Accreditation Council, that is NAC, and chairman National Board of Accreditation, that is NBA. We are honored by your presence, sir. I am also feeling excited and privileged to introduce our guest of honor, Shri Dinesh Kumar Shukla.